What's up, YouTube? So today, we're doing vending machine loot only challenge, and I already got a sidearm pistol, which is okay.
Yo, you can access.
Sorry, I had to get that kill. Hey, I'm gonna be just kind of.
Bro, you just took my gun.
I'm not gonna be doing the challenge. No, actually, I will. Okay. But we can pickaxe people, right? We can pickaxe.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Alright, we can pickaxe people. Let's go.
Your pickaxe came from a vending machine. I killed the IO guard. No way. Cruisabelle, run. Just run. Hey, there's a med machine over here.
I'm kind of screwed. I kind of dropped down somewhere.
Gosh dang it. Well, it looks like this is my loot for today. A sidearm pistol and some bandages.
That's a good loot. That's a good loadout.
I know, right?
I hope maybe tomorrow, but...
Bro, why are you hating on it?
Man,
It's like the best loadout in the world.
we need more vending machines.
Oh god, there's a person on me. Boys, help me pickaxe him. Help me.
Where are you? Oh, I found you. I'm coming.
Go on pickaxe.
Me and my gang pull up. You better get her running. Wait. Ha, we don't use guns. Maybe we should save Ander.
Yeah, maybe we should.
Ander, quit dying.
I'm coming.
Are we allowed to
Andy.
use the tank?
Hey boys, should we pickaxe our bounty?
Frick it. I don't care.
Yeah, frick it, bro.
I have a gas can. And a fishing pole.
I found so many beds, bro.
Wait, can I take the repair torch?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take that.
Can you burn people with it?
Yeah.
No.
It does like 8 damage.
No way. I got bandages. Next time we're doing the pickaxe rarity thing, right?
Alright, hop in
Screw
this
it.
tank, boy.
I'm driving
Well, we
that.
can't even use it. That's the thing.
Well, yes we
We can.
can. Yes we can.
You can use vehicles. Mr. Chicken the dude, get in the tank. Get in the tank.
Get in the tank or you're weird.
I bet. Just move around the circle, yellow circle.
They're usually in the center. Go, Mr. Chicken the dude. Go bounty.
Right there.
Pickaxe him. We gotta pickaxe him, boys. Go, boys, pickaxe him.
Let's go gangbang him. Me and my gang pull up. You better get him.
No way. That was easy.
Why is this so funny? Get back in the tank. I don't want to drive it.
Alright, I call driving.
Okay. I'm in the turret. Where
Wait,
are we?
he popped our tire.
Hey, someone fixed tire.
I got it.
Bro, this is so funny. Because just me and my gang pull out and we just pickaxe someone. I have a blue pistol.
Wait,
but,
should we just say pickaxe him only?
I mean, honestly, unless we find a vending machine with good guns, I don't think a sidearm pistol.
That was worth it. No, I did not on.
And look at my vibe pig.
Just chilling, bro.
What? Sorry, I was just... That pig be vibing.
Like, we're in an all-out war. I am on a turret and the thing's... Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look how high that thing went!
Oh my god!
No way, that was insane.
No, Ender, don't waste that. Ender, do not waste that.
Don't waste it! Stupid!
Stupid. Let's go to like the center circle. Let's go like...
Edgar! Stop wasting it!
I mean, he was healing the kid.
He healed it to health. It's full health. Stop wasting your day. Wasting you kiss, man.
Don't kiss your dad.
Besides that. Stop wasting it, bro.
Oh my, what just happened? Oh, it's a tire.
Did it pop?
Yep, it just did.
He's a boy. He's wasting it. He's a boy.
Andrew, quit shooting it.
Okay, Andrew, you can do the tank now. I kind of got it a little bit low.
Andrew, you can do it now.
Heal the tank current last. You're not healing fast enough.
Okay, it's good, it's good. Watch
No,
out.
don't blow it up. Don't blow it up.
Look how high that thing goes. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Hey, wait for me.
We are waiting.
Hold on, I want to break
Wait
down this
for
map.
me.
Hold up. I'll come back.
Bro, I would like to be waiting.
Okay.
Back up, boy. This is just so fun. Nothing lobbies out there can move each other.
We're just chilling.
Just chilling, just
It's the every single time when I'm like not even trying to play the game, I always win. I don't know why.
Well, that's because when memers play, hey, let's go to the gas station.
Yeah,
I need some fuel. It's already like halfway done.
Hey, bro, this is this is how people gun switch.
I was talking to my dog.
Fishing.
Bark if you are my dog.
Pork.
Yeah, I'm a
Hey, the new
gangster.
place.
My rights are bad. I gangster your mom. I used to.
Move, bro. No, don't blow it up.
Get out the way. Hey, taxi.
Hey, I'll heal it. Got you, bro.
Boom.
Oh my goodness. Yo, hurry up. We got fire.
This is as fast as it goes.
IO garden. I killed an IO garden.
Why are the trees on fire?
I kind of
because
blew
I'm-
up a car. Okay, it's good.
Drive away.
Hop
I
in.
know.
Wait.
Why is it so funny?
Start. Hold up.
Wait a
That thing
minute.
in the ground. That thing in the ground.
Yo, this is the new POI. Let's see if anybody's inside.
No, do not. That's where slowness and you will easily die.
You
just
just ran
broke
over
an
the
arrow.
launch pad.
Those things are supposed to be indestructible, don't they?
Things can float, by the way.
Oh wait, what? It's the heaviest thing in the whole game. And this only it can float.
It's the boat.
Yeah.
But a freaking
God.
quad crasher can't even.
Where did that come from?
Pick action, boys. Pick action.
Get him.
You killed Ethan, I shall kill you.
No way, bro. That was the easiest freaking kill.
Why are we only running into one person at a time? Like, where are these kids' teammates?
I know, right? Oh wait, what?
Come on. Let's get back in the tank. Oh, let's go. Not allowed to use the gun, Duncan. Just pick up heals. That's all you need.
Let's go.
Hurry up, shut up.
Come on, get in.
Guys, hop in, hurry. Storm's coming fast.
Bro, come on.
Bro, literally hurry, bro. Just go. Alright. No. Don't boost it. It wastes the energy.
I didn't mean to.
This is my loadout. Gas can, fishing hook, 3 meat. Oh,
Oh, where are you?
just drive.
I don't care. Drive.
Drive. We're gonna die.
Oh,
Bro, it's a one tip.
Yeah, okay. And this team goes slower than me running.
And we can't use guns. I have a blue pistol. My best hope is to freaking run up with the gang and start shooting. So far we're 3 for 3 with the gangbang. Run through it. Stay in the tank.
Drive, bro.
Drive, brother.
Oh my.
It's indestructible.
Hey, just shoot it.
Yeah, bye-bye.
No, wait for me, boy.
No.
I'm coming.
You took too long. You wasted our best weapon. Now we gotta pull up in the freaking whip. I have a gas can.
Boys, I kind of went a little far. Now I'm in a whole war right now.
Dude. Now we gotta come and save you with a fishing pole, a gas can, and a pistol. Are Colombos still on the map?
Sadly.
Sorry, Mama.
I'm running, boys. Let's go.
I got one.
Oh, watch out. The bot.
Oh, you're doing it wrong. You gotta pickaxe them. I'm going for the pickaxe. Don't kill him. Duncan, you're even lucky you got a gun. I'm just having a pickaxe this whole game. Hey, boys, I got a shield keg.
It depends. If I'm not in here,
Alright. Wait, no. Wait till we get into zone. We're at 10, 8, 9 seconds.
Okay, I accidentally threw it though.
We gotta go.
I threw it though. I didn't mean to.
Oh, that's a,
There's 10
Yeah, I'm a gangster. My rhymes are bad. Yeah, I'm a gangster. Your mom is sad.
Yeah, next time we should do the
Bart,
pickaxe
if
rating.
you are my dog.
Work.
what was that? Woof, woof.
Oh, rough. Oh my god, rough.
Oh god, I don't
Andrew,
want
move.
It's not Andrew, stupid. We have the high
I
ground.
can't freaking build. I hate this game so
There's a car.
Oh, who's shooting?
I only got a pickaxe.
Bro, how is he hitting me? Gotta heal him.
Ah! Careful, he's an ambutter. Careful, he's hacking. Take him serious.
Yeah, I'm on. Yeah,
Okay, sorry,
no. That's
sorry.
a cat, bro.
Protect me.
I have a blue pistol.
I'll toss down the shield keg.
Yeah, toss it.
Ooh, bush.
That was an awesome shield kick.
Wait,
Chilling in a bush. Chilling in a bush.
I don't have any white legs. Okay.
Let's just be bush campers.
Well, I found the rock. Do I shoot him?
No, he's not a boss anymore.
Oh, I
Look,
just
need
did.
heal. Oh, frick. I'm taking a med kit on the block. Alright,
Hey, yo.
we're good, boys.
I found
Ready
someone,
to
I found
pickaxe
someone.
some nerds.
22.
I can only have one kill.
I currently found a default wood and a hidden.
Let's go.
No, we can't just keep pickaxing people. We have guns.
I don't have a gun.
I do. You should have bought a gun.
I had a ton of ammo, I'll tell you that.
We're just R2ing.
Hey, anyone need some ammo?
No.
44,
one.
44. Come on, boys, squad v squad.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh god, I forgot
Hey,
you were.
anyone need some light ammo?
No, I'm good. I have 300.
Yeah, I have 292.
Y'all are lucky. Y'all got a gun.
You could have bought one.
I don't have enough gold.
That's a big pot.
I'm taking a jump shot. I'm gonna say I got this from a vending machine.
No. They're there.
Oh, done.
No. This is crap. They got aimbot, bro.
Don't care, we're gonna win.
Yep, nope. Yeah, he is big time aimbot. He hit every shot on me totally.
He just missed every single shot. Except for the last 5. Come on, get it. Let's go. All vending machine loot. That was easy.
No way, look at his loot though.
How did we win by a pistol, bro?
I kind of picked up a jump shot,
Bro.
Damn. Alright, see you, YouTube.